How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
Tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
At the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IG's cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Rey.
BB8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Darren and the squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear.
Let's go!
Deck is in motion. Recruits closing to transport.
Initiate reflight sequence on deck 3 for Picard.
Are you guys ready? I need a little bit more enthusiasm. Are you ready? Let's go! People, let's go!
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed and run on.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump. They're all over us! I'm hit!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying,
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to get out of the way!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters? us coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Proceed down this way, solo spies. Do not expect to be interrogated with the 1-2K1.
Oh, that was that guy.
Alright, you can start coming forward. Just follow down, all the towards us.
Today, preferably
We're going to line up right here. And then wait there for that. Don't be sorry, miss. Be better. Stay there for now.
There we go. We just need to make sure.
All right. This side on my left. Slide over to your left. Everybody slide over. Great. Now both lines. Follow me. Let's go.
We have one forward to memorize for our interrogation, so let's pay attention. You are blue. What are you?
All right. Let's start at both lines. Wait here at this second horizontal line. How many in your unit? 2. Go on red. How many in the unit? 2. Go on red. How many? 3. Go on blue. And that's it. Now, pay attention on the one who's talking. All of you have been assigned a color to stand on. Blue, red, silver, orange. Memorize the colors. They will be the same ones you will stand on inside yourself. What you're doing out here is exactly what you're doing yourself. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Any bags, fanny packs, purses you are wearing, take them off of you. Hold them in your hands. No. Or you can put one bag strap on one shoulder on the same side of your body. That'll also be exceptional. Any hats, ears, sunglasses you're wearing, take them off. Hold those as well. You will not be needing it for the time being. Any further questions you may have or concerns, keep them to yourselves. I don't care. Blue and red, both sides.
Get him. Get him.
Inside, silver and orange, follow right behind us.
Oh, you can't.
Whatever question you had is irrelevant to the cause. Let's go. Keep your questions to yourself.
Vivas.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
R5. These are you guys out your safe and sound right back
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelt securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
There they are! Fire!
The escape pods just follow us. Take the lifts down. We'll cover you. Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pocket.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.